Taking the car to the car meet. EM2 7th Gen 03 Honda Civic VTEC. Yeah. Got the 99 2000 SI OEM rims. Of course, I modified it a little bit, but I do need to put coilovers on it. Yeah, that'll be coming in the future. All right, we're back. Let's get this baby started. Whoa, why is the camera not focusing? Come on. There we go. Whew. Oh, I gotta get gas. Alright, we're gonna go wash the car. Get it all washed up. That's how many miles I have on the car right now. Holy crap. Don't worry about the airbag. We're gonna get that fixed. It's actually a seatbelt issue. So, yeah, I got the EM2 floor mats. I'm actually replacing these. I'm gonna be swapping out the stereo, getting a whole new touchscreen. Did some stuff to the interior. It's very clean, as you guys could tell. But yeah, tan interior, don't like. Got the 04 Civic seats in the back. Yeah, we still need to do some stuff. I did spray some vinyl wrap from O'Reilly, and actually it came out really good. So this is plastic dip, but we're gonna be doing the doors next. I have a friend who's gonna carbon fiber wrap that, and we're gonna paint this all black. All right, let's go. Anyways, we're going to the wash. We're gonna get this washed up. We're gonna go to the car meet. So yeah, I am gonna add like coilovers to this. Gonna get some nice coilovers. I have someone who's gonna do it for me for free. I know all my friends say you can do it yourself, but I don't have all the tools, equipment, and I don't have a garage at the moment. So hopefully I'll get a garage. So we're gonna get going. All right, we're on the freeway. Let's go. Woo! Woo! VTEC! So it was like the only car on the lot. I think it was the only EX VTEC. And I wanted the VTEC, even if it was automatic. I was like, no, man, I gotta get it. I did have a Honda Prelude, a 1987 Honda Prelude. And that thing had hella problems. But honestly, this car, I just had a complete tune-up. Shout out to my friend Mate. He did a whole complete tune-up. Alright guys, it's looking clean. Look at her. Ooh. It's looking clean. Got her going. Got the grill. Just gotta get coilovers. Gotta lower it. Oh yeah.